What is disability insurance? Disability insurance provides income replacement when a policyholder cannot work due to illness or injury, typically paying 60 to 70% of pre-disability income after an elimination period. What is disability insurance? Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. It's often called income protection insurance because it protects your most valuable asset, your ability to earn income. The types of disability insurance: type, source, features, short-term, STD, employer, 3-6 months coverage; long-term, LTD, employer, individual, years or to age 65; Social Security, SSDI, government, strict definition, lengthy process; individual, private purchase, portable, customizable. Definitions of disability: definition meaning typical use; own occupation, can't do your specific job, more expensive; better protection, any occupation, can't do any job you're suited for, less expensive, stricter; modified ONOC for 2 years, then any; common compromise. Key policy features: feature description, benefit amount, usually 60 to 70% of income; elimination period, waiting period before benefits start; benefit period, how long benefits last; definition, own occupation versus any occupation; hashtag elimination period options; period premium impact, best for 30 days, highest premium, need income quickly; 60 days, moderate balanced approach; 90 days, lower premium, have savings cushion; 180 days, lowest premium, significant reserves; benefit period options, period coverage, 2 years, short-term coverage, 5 years. Exam tip: own occupation equals best definition, 60 to 70% of income typical; longer elimination period equals lower premium; individual equals tax-free benefits.